Toshiba PCB repair. 3 steps to repair your damaged PCB. Step 1. Find a matching donor Toshiba PCB. To find a matching donor PCB for Toshiba hard drives, we need to make sure the board number on the PCB is the same. Board numbers begin with G00. Check the board number on your hard drive. Then search with the board number in the search box on hddzone.com and order it online. Step 2. Transfer the BIOS chip on PCB. In most cases, you need to transfer the BIOS before you swap hard drive PCB, in order to make the donor PCB compatible with your HDD. HDD firmware are usually stored in the BIOS chip or main controller IC. Step 3. Recover and backup data. After the firmware BIOS transfer is completed, the PCB replacement process is finished. Connect your HDD to your PC and restart your computer. You will be able to recover data from your HDD now. Backup, backup, backup. About BIOS chip and main controller IC. BIOS, all of the 8-pins chip, 4 pins on each sides, are the BIOS chip. It is easy to be found, because there are not many 8-pins chips on the PCB. Main controller IC. If there is no matching 8-pins BIOS chip on the PCB, it means the BIOS is integrated on the main controller IC, the biggest chip. It is more complex to exchange the main controller IC than exchange the BIOS. If you should do, please do several tests on the HDD's PCBs which don't have the important data. BIOS transfer tools steps. Tools, hot air reworkstation and tweezers. BIOS transfer steps. Step 1. Remove BIOS chip from original PCB. Step 2. Remove BIOS chip from donor PCB. Step 3. Solder the original BIOS chip to donor PCB. Tips: most of the TV, phone, electronics repair shop can offer this service for just $5 to $20. Finished. Thank you. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Email: sales@hddzone.com. Website: hddzone.com. Send clear photos of your PCB both sides to us. Will make everything easier. Email with attachments.